Welcome to Why Use Herbs. Today's herb, Astragalus Root, is one of my favorites. I can't wait to tell you about it. What is Astragalus Root? It helps the body to naturally resist infection, aids in circulation, supports the immune system, is an herbal tonic. It benefits the cardiovascular system. This herb, Astragalus Root, is also discussed in the book called Healing Lyme by Stephen Buhner, an excellent read. Even though it looks like a tongue depressor, do not put it directly in your mouth and chew. This herb needs to be made into a decoction or a liquid extract. The powdered form of Astragalus Root can be made into money-saving capsules, which can save you over 60% off store-bought capsules. When to take Astragalus Root. Always talk to your healthcare professional first, and if approved, you can use Astragalus Root anytime, day or night. Astragalus Root may be used with or without food. Herb category of Astragalus Root. This herb is categorized as tonifying qi. Safety and quality. For your safety, herbs should be tested for heavy metals, pesticides, E. coli, and molds. Herbs also should have a GMP certification, which means good manufacturing procedures. Cautions. As with all herbs and supplements, never use when pregnant or nursing without your physician's approval. Taste of Astragalus Root. Sweet. The channels of Astragalus Root are lungs and spleen. Actions of Astragalus Root. Tonifies the blood, tonifies the qi, invigorates the vital energy. Why use herbs? Herbs benefit the body by promoting natural healing and focusing on the body's natural responses. Herbs can be used on their own, but know that you have the option of putting other herbs together to making your own formula, which is usually of greater benefit than a single herb. What combines with Astragalus root? Echinacea root, echinacea flower, golden seal root, burdock root, reishi mushroom. We here at Why Use Herbs have hoped you enjoyed this presentation. We ask that you visit often, let us know of any improvements, or of any herbs you would like us to discuss. Thank you for listening to our presentation.